Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. So first of all, taking a look at the bigger picture, it's not a great chart. The reason is that at best we're dealing here with an A-B setup, which could rally in a C wave. The problem is that price obviously broke below the 78.6 retracement at 26.8 cents. Okay, not a disaster. Below that level, we talked about the 22 cent level as a target. It reached it. But now we haven't really seen any convincing reaction to the upside. It's not impulsive like on many other charts as well. It's corrective. At best, we're dealing with a leading diagonal. And if we have a leading diagonal, it needs one more wave to the upside. Okay, so we have here at best an A wave, a B wave and a C wave at the moment. If we get one more high, then we deal with a leading diagonal. And a leading diagonal may suggest that a low has been made here on the 10th of June. Then we get 5 waves up. And if we can hold 3 waves down in a pullback, holding a higher low, then we could rally higher. Overall, however, the long-term prospects are not as good as on some other charts due to this being only a 3-wave rally into the February 23 highs. And therefore, due to the 3-wave rally, we deal with a B wave down, which is unreliable anyway. And it dropped below the 78.6 retracement. So I can only warn about this chart. There are better setups out there. I know there's a fan base out there, but it's just not a reliable one. And okay, you could say, okay, against this swing low, which was made on the 10th of June, you can focus on higher if you want to, if anybody desperately wants to trade this on the long side. But I think there are better setups here, clearer impulsive setups. But this is an AB one where, yeah, price can go high and you can, it is possible to focus on higher against that low. The problem is if you do that without a 3-wave structure, with only a 3-wave rally to the upside, you don't really have that confirmation that trend is already back to the upside. What is more reasonable, in my opinion, is to have a 5-wave move up, even if it's only a diagonal, but it's better than nothing. And then we could call that possibly a wave 1 and then an ABC structure down, buying the pullback with a stop below the first 5-wave move up and then going higher. If it fails, you could stop, but with low risk. But at the moment, it's just speculative. Okay. Now, what I have to tell you is below that June low, if we break below that low, I think then we're heading to new bear market lows, and that would take it below round about 16, 17 cents. So it's overall not a great or reliable chart. Surely it can go higher, but we need to wait for 5 up to get clarity as per Elliott wave, and then the 3-wave move down would allow for the next low risk, high reward pullback entry point. Just understand, if I compare that to some other setups we have, for example on Bitcoin or Ethereum, this is a lower quality setup. But at the moment, most altcoins look a bit messy, because the movements to the upside look corrective, could turn into diagonals, but most likely we deal here with corrections still, and that means we have to still be ready for another low. If it can now rally above the 33.2 cent level, then we get 5 waves up, and at least we can look at a potential more bullish 1-2 setup. Yeah, that's my update about Fantom. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.